Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Insights Journal. My name is Jason. In this episode, we're going to talk about Cardano, what it is, how to get it, how to store it, and how to earn passive income staking it. Before we begin, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow change makers, innovators, and visionaries to bring about positive global change. Cardano was founded in 2017 by Charles Hoskinson, who is also one of the co-founders of the Ethereum network. He is the CEO of IOHK, the company that built Cardano's blockchain. The ADA token is designed to ensure that owners can participate in the operation of the network. The ADA token has a max supply of 45 billion. Those who hold ADA have the right to vote on any proposed changes to the software. Cardano is one of the most prominent blockchains to successfully use a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, which is less energy intensive than the proof-of-work algorithm relied upon by Bitcoin. Although the much larger Ethereum is going to be upgrading to proof-of-stake, this transition will only take place gradually. Cardano takes its name from the 16th century Italian polymath Girolamo Cardano. ADA is named after the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace, regarded as the world's first computer programmer. Cardano names its major product milestones after famous poets, scientists, and thinkers. The network has finished the Byron and Shelley stage and is now in the Gauguin era. Cardano calls itself a third-generation public blockchain, Bitcoin and Ethereum being first and second generation. The Cardano team was inspired by the world of science publishing and adopted its peer-reviewed approach for their cryptocurrency. Cardano's ADA currency isn't mined like Bitcoin. Instead of miners, there are validators chosen by the network depending on how much ADA currency they currently own. Ouroboros is Cardano's defining algorithm, the first blockchain protocol based on peer-reviewed research, and the project's solution to proof-of-stake. Essentially, the consensus protocol sits behind Cardano's capability as a decentralized proof-of-stake platform. It's used to secure the network, validate transactions, and earn newly minted ADA. In July 2020, the Shelley upgrade enabled delegated staking. For the first time, ADA owners could pool their coins with other users to earn cryptocurrency. Cardano is listed on several exchanges, including Coinbase, Binance, KuCoin, Kraken, Bittrex, Binance US, Crypto.com, eToro, and more. I'll put a link to CoinMarketCap's article on Cardano in the description so you can see the complete list. Wallets that support Cardano include Ledger, Trezor, Math Wallet, Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Exodus, SafePal, and Binance Chain Wallet. Of course, there are also the native Cardano wallets, Daedalus, and Euro. Cardano holders can earn passive income by staking their ADA tokens. This can be done in several ways, particularly and perhaps most safely using a Cardano-enabled wallet. For example, Exodus allows for Cardano staking in the app. It's essential to understand that the ADA you're staking does not leave your wallet and is not given to someone else. You are free to send it or sell it if you see fit, but the staked ADA must remain in your wallet to receive rewards. I'll also put a link to the Wendy's white paper article I wrote on staking Cardano in the description below. I hope you found this video on Cardano informative and that it helps answer what questions you may have about this third generation blockchain. Until next time, I'm Jason. This is Crypto Insights Journal. Thanks for watching.